in Switzerland. My name is Jürgen Freund. I'm the CEO of Haeusler AG Duckingen. And first of all, I would like to congratulate CEA Wind for their first anniversary. For us, it is a pleasure to be a part of your history, and it will be our pleasure to be your partner in all your future activities. We are currently extremely busy with the ongoing projects. We are in manufacturing phase, and we are planning to deliver everything end of this year, beginning of next year. Immediately after the arrival of the goods at site, we will start with the installation, and then CEA is in the position to be one of the major suppliers of offshore and onshore wind pieces in Europe and all over the world. I would like to express our gratitude for all the trust you granted us. We wish you all the best. Have a good time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, and congratulations to the anniversary of CEA Wind. Behind me you can see already the first parts of the big Haeusler rolling machines. The 4 rolls will be major process stations inside the brand new monopile production of CEA. This rigid machine will be equipped with the latest technology to ensure CEA's leading position in this worldwide growing industry. We as Haeusler are pretty proud to be a member of the team, enjoying supporting CEA with our experience and innovation. Thanks to all for the good teamwork. We are looking forward to continue in the same spirit. I'm Haeusler, Project Manager in Haeusler, Switzerland.